Well, here we are, the aftermath of the storm. Here's our long driveway. Tessie, come here. And there's Tuckett. What are you guys doing? We just got plowed out. And there's the whole all the trees and the beautiful. So I'd say we got about 3 feet of snow, maybe 2.5. The blizzard of 2013. Hey doggies, come here. Guys, come here. Tuckett, Tess, come. It's really melted fast though. And there's all of, not too bad. You can see if I walk in it, like this. Whoa. Let's see if we can, there you go. There's the dogs. There's the doggies. Come here, Tessie. Come on, Tucky. Let's go. Go ahead. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh, there's Tess. Tess, go to the bathroom in the snow, the beautiful snow. Come here, Tucky. Come here. Here we go. There you go. Come on. Tess, that is not attractive right there, by the way. That is not. Anyway. Okay, there you go. Isn't that pretty? You guys are gonna have fun. Go get him, girl. Come on, come on. Good job. There's Tessie. There's Tucky. Good boy, good girl. Tucky, look up here. All right. You can see, let's see, all the way around here. This stuff is really hard to walk in, that's for sure. All right. All right. There you go. Nice blizzard 2013. Over and out.